Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna create a very short and a quick review about this powerful website called Podcastle. Podcastle is an all-in-one platform for recording, editing, and publishing podcasts. It also includes an AI-powered text-to-speech features that allows you to create high-quality voiceover. And here the key benefit about this platform, which is a podcast recording high quality audio with a built-in tools with also a podcast editing, which helps you to edit your audio with a 3D user interface. And also they also offered a voiceover with a realistic voice and an option for you to publish your podcast to a popular platform. And also they offered a collaboration features which help you work on your podcast with others. And here the key pricing list about this platform. They offer different range of price. So we have the free plan, the storyteller plan, then the pro plan with a team plan. The team plan is a custom plan which involves you contact the customer care for the pricing. Then for the pro, you should pay nothing less than $23.99 per month, I guess. Then for the storyteller, just about $11 to $15 per month. Then for the free plan, it's absolutely free, but it has a limitation, and that's it. So talking about the pros and cons about this platform. So the pros, the AI tools are amazing. It is very easy to use with a clear user-friendly interface. The audio quality is excellent. And talking about the pro or the cons about this platform, the pro plan is expensive and it can be a bit buggy sometimes. The learning curve is steep and the customer support is very slow. It uses a lot of processing power, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website, and that's it.